Ever wonder how hackers bypass login screens without even knowing the password? It's usually through a vulnerability called SQL Injection. It's one of the oldest, most common, and most dangerous flaws on the web. So, I have the full source code file of a web application right here. Let's scan it with our AI-powered Qualysec source code scanner and see if it can detect any hidden SQL injections in this build. I am just to grab my project folder and upload it in the Scan Files section. Now, I'll just hit Run Analysis button. The advanced engine is diving deep into the code right now. It may take some time to analyze it. And, yep, there it is. The scanner immediately flagged critical risks, marked actually which particular file in the whole folder is vulnerable. If I select the file here on the left, it maps the vulnerability directly to the code on the right. You can see the high-risk vulnerability SQL injection in this files. Now, manually tracking down and fixing these across hundreds of files takes hours. But watch this. I'm just going to click Fix This Finding button. The AI completely rewrote the vulnerable logic. It may take some time. After the fixing completed, you can see a side-by-side preview. You can see my original dangerous code on the left. On the right, the AI has secured it by implementing a parameterized query, which completely neutralizes the threat. Also here, I can download the secured file with just one click. Now, it's your turn to scan your codes. Try the Qualysec AI source code scanner today. Scan your code, find the flaws, and let AI fix them, all on one seamless platform.